Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to make a power supply. This power supply runs on a 5V USB connection and can boost from 5V to 30V. Take a perforated board and place DSN VC288 voltage and current meter, a plug for the output terminal and a 100 ohm potentiometer. Mark them on the board and cut the board. After cutting the board, fix them onto the board. Now take CN6009 voltage booster and a USB cable and connect the positive wire of the USB cable to the positive in terminal of the voltage booster and the negative wire of the USB to the negative in terminal of the voltage booster. Now take the voltage wire and the power wires of the current and voltage meter and solder the negative power wire onto the negative in terminal and the positive wire to the positive in terminal, and take the voltage wire to the positive out terminal of the voltage booster. Now connect the positive wire of the current wire of the voltage booster to the negative out and connect another wire to the positive out terminal of the voltage booster. Remove the existing potentiometer and connect wires to the potentiometer terminals. Now connect the wire connected to the positive out terminal to one of the terminals of the output plug and connect the negative wire of the current wire to the other terminal. Then connect the potentiometer wires to the potentiometer. Connect the middle wire to the middle pin of the potentiometer, and the other two wires can be connected in any method.
Hellcat.
Now take a sheet of cardboard and make a box out of it. Now put the USB wire through the box and stick the board to the box. Now take a sheet of carbon and make the back plate for the power supply. Make it so that it is a snug fit. Cut a small piece at the edge of the back plate for the USB wire. Your power supply is now done.